Day 10 in the Cape Trip house. The girls are crying over a film. Tayla is eating dead pig. I am having a cigarette. And Jimmy is contemplating life. I'm tired. Today has been a difficult day for all the householders. I like your sofa. How do you feel about your sofa, girls?
It's very Asian.
Do you think so?
On the floor, it is.
Do you cramp on the toilet? Like, do you squat on the toilet and then put your feet on the edges and have a poo? If you're gonna live like Asians, do you eat cats and dogs?
No.
You don't? You're not doing it right. Do you eat cats and dogs?
I mean, dogs are right.
Dogs. Dog Willy. Let's take a closer look. There's ripped open dog Willy. It's good. Over and out.